Gumagalaw yung ano niya. Eh! Kaiba ng ano na to ah. Ibang anggulo na. Apati. Today we're a package of going to Torre. Torre, we have to 5 destination. Okay? So the first one of the highlights of part of Torre in Big Lagoon. Okay? So our activity there is kayaking. Kayak is rental. Kayak is rental is good for 2 person is 300 pesos. Not per person, okay? 2 person is 300 pesos. Okay? And the second one, we have a snorkeling area. Okay? Who are not a good swimmer? Raise your hands. Don't be shy. Not a good swimmer. You want to cancel your tour? It's okay? Yeah? You want to cancel? That's okay. Just kidding. Okay? We're not a good swimmer. Before you go down, wear your life jacket. Okay? Because your safety, one of my responsibility. Okay? And the third one, for having lunch, Simiso or Payong Beach. Okay? So Simiso, it's crowded, so let's proceed to our next destination, in Payong Beach. We have a food allergy or vegetarian. Vegetarian. Three. The others, no? Food allergy, Food allergy. 3. Okay, so 3. Okay, so the food is buffet lunch. Still choose to if you want to eat vegetable, prawns, we have in the back. Okay? So the fourth one, Secret Lagoon. But now it's still secret, nobody knows. Okay? Only secret. So, and the last one is Sabi Commando Beach. So Sabi Commando Beach, where activity there is good for relaxing, sunbathing. If you want to play volleyball, we have a Sabi Commando Beach. And if you want to buy drinks, halo-halo Filipino food. Yeah, we have a Sabi Commando Beach. Okay? So of course, mommy, sir. So in every destination, we need to divide your time. Like 35 to 45 minutes for order complete our tour in one day. Okay? So let's proceed to priority regulation here in El Nido. So mommy, sir, the first one, the garbage that we have or basura, don't throw your seawater. Okay? So the second one, we have a snorkeling area. Don't touch kind of marine life because sometimes we have a living organism like a poisonous, like a sea urchin. Are you familiar? Sea urchin. Sea urchin is a black color. There's a lot to spot. Okay? So snake, stingray, shark, spectate. We have a shark. Don't touch. Okay? But don't worry because the shark here is vegetarian. Okay? Okay, so the third one, fish feeding is not allowed. Okay? So mommy, son, so we have a short slogan here in El Nido. Live nothing but footprints, take nothing but pictures, and bring nothing. 99 but not 1,000. No man. So before you in, I will introduce our companion. So by the way, my name is Ivan. Clap your hands. We have a Tonet. Ivan in the morning. Ivan in the evening. Okay. My culture guide, Ryan. Ryan in the morning, Rihanna in the evening. I go tour guide, Jobert again. Jobert in the morning, Joberta in the evening. My co-tour guide and assistant tour guide, Carlo in the morning. Carla in the evening. We have a towboat engineer, Jomar and Kiji. On the back. We have an important here on the boat, our Captain Anthony. So now, different company, different agency, different country now build us one